Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley, and this is a TS Tech Talk video. So on today's video guys, I'm going to be reviewing 3 different applications that you are going to be using for your YouTube videos, and it's going to help you to improve your YouTube content creation on mobile. So these 3 tools is actually going to guide you and is going to give you a lot of insight on how to create, manage, and be professional with your content creation on YouTube. Now let's dive into that. So I'm going to be listing this from the least to the best. It's not as if the last one is not good. It's also very good, just like others, but it's just that it's actually limited, and I'm going to show you the reason why. So this is the least one that I have on my list, which is probably the third one, and it's called YT2. So you can search for YT2 on your Android Play Store and you'll be able to see the application. Let me just confirm the name. I think it's YT2. I have been using it for a while, and funny enough, it did not display there, but I think this should be YT2. You can see it says YT2 on the logo section, and I think that is actually YT2. So you can notice you can do a lot of things in this application by extracting tags. It actually works very well, and also keyword suggestion, and it gives you keyword suggestion, and you can also find competitor to your channel, and you can also see your trending. You can see trending video also on this particular in the whole world, or probably your geolocation, and it can also help you to download thumbnails, which is actually very cool. And you can notice you can also explore channel, which is other channels, and you can also calculate total earning, and you can see channel idea, tag plan, and also you can also use this sticky note to save your video ideas, which is actually very cool. And for every content creator, this is very useful. So that is actually that for our list application on my list. And then the next one, guys, I'm going to mention is actually called TubeBuddy. So TubeBuddy is very popular. It's actually the second on my list. And then TubeBuddy helps you to actually create. It gives you a very detailed information that YouTube application doesn't give you, although most of them do, and it actually helps you to make it look sharp, because you can always see most of these things on your YouTube studio, but it's just that it's not well arranged and you don't see it this big and the card and everything. So this is actually what it does for you. You can notice this one's green right here. Those ones that are green, it means that I have written a very good SEO, and also it's having a lot of engagement. And you notice on this one that is red, that means it has some dislike on the video, and this one has some like, and it means it's actually very useful. So the same thing for this one also. You can see all of them. Anyone that is red, it means that it has a dislike, which means some people do not like it, and it's actually not a good thing for your SEO. So the next one is the comment section. It always displays the comment section. Okay guys, before I skip out, this particular application, when you open it, you need to actually log in into your channel and give access to your channel before it starts displaying all of this stuff. If not, it's not going to display all of this information for you. So you need to actually make sure you are logged into the channel that you want to check, and you'll be seeing all of this stuff. And then if you come over to the milestone section, it will display a whole lot of achievements that you have actually achieved. And if for some reason you want to upload those achievements to social media, you can click on any of these achievements and it's going to display it for you. And you notice there is an option right there on the bottom where it says save photo. If you click on that, it's going to save this photo for you. I know you might be seeing a lot of YouTubers uploading this picture and you do not know where they get them. They actually got them from this application. And when you come over to the news section, you can see all of the news going on, either from TubeBuddy or maybe the latest YouTube news that TubeBuddy actually posted. These guys are actually very updated and they follow all of the trending on YouTube. So most of the things you have to do, you have to actually check their channel to get them. So if you come over to the menu section, it also has the tag explorer, it has the topic planner, it has a canned respond, and also a tag list. I'm going to explain all of this in a different video, but not now. Now guys, let's go over to our last video, our last application, which is actually my best one and one of the one that I do not forget to always check every day, mostly every day, is actually vidIQ. Now vidIQ is actually very good on their application and also on their web extensions. They are very good. I will always recommend you guys, if you want to actually get or make payment for a premium version of a third-party application to help you to create or manage your channel, I would suggest you guys actually make use of vidIQ. It's very good, although I do not use them right now, but I use them once in a while. You can notice it's still installed on my system. Now, let me quickly explain. Just like TubeBuddy, you also need to log into your YouTube channel and give access to this application before you can make use of it. So you can notice right there, this is actually my home page, and just like TubeBuddy displays, this is also displaying. And now, an interesting thing about this application is that immediately you open the application for the first time, it shows you 3 suggestions of the video that you should make that is going to give you a lot of traffic or a lot of view. Now you notice it says there is very high prediction. It means that this video idea is going to go well when you create content like this on your channel, because it already knows how the type of content you upload, so it's going to actually recommend you the best content that you can create, and it's going to give you views. So this one is saying Trust Wallet Android Anonymous, and if you want to see more, just swipe left and you are going to see more. When you swipe left, note that you are actually saying that it should dismiss, but if you actually like the idea it gave you, just click on save. So if I click on save, it's going to save, it's going to go the right way. So the same thing you can do here. If you are not interested, just swipe. And immediately you swipe, that should be the end of the third suggestion for the daily video. So after you swipe and you delete that one, after 24 hours, another video idea is going to come up and display for you. So that is how it works. And now you can notice these are my videos right here. If you want to see more, you can always click on show all, and it's going to display all of your video right there. These are all the video, but I'm actually not interested in this, so I'm going to go ahead and back out. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard area. So this is dashboard area. Now there is even more suggestion below on this particular section. Now you can notice it says new Android game, best offline game for Android, and best mobile game. These suggestions are all the suggestions that are going to give me traffic in making my video. And you can notice that the overall score is 54, which is actually very good. Something that is 54 or lower is very good for your channel, especially if you are a new or if you are a beginner or new to YouTube. But if you're already a popular channel, just make videos that are up to 80 or 90 score, and you're going to get a lot of views. So below it, you can notice it says top search for your channel is Crazy Snake, how to earn. And you notice currently I have 2 views coming from it. That is actually because that is my last video, and it gave me traffic because people are searching for it. And then on this particular section, this is actually my performance against my competitor, and you can notice right here that my competitors are actually beating me. Now the reason why they are beating me is because they have a lot of subscribers on their channel and I have nothing. So these are actually my competitor. If you do not have competitor, you can always add them up by clicking and selecting each of the channel you want to add. And if for some reason you want to remove any of your competitor, you can always remove by clicking on that area and then selecting remove. Do not worry guys, I'm going to make other videos about this. And when you scroll down, you are going to see popular videos that your competitors are also making, and when you make that video also, you are going to get views. And I think you should try it. I do this once in a while, but this is something you should also try since you are watching this video. Now you notice I already used up my 3 daily requests, so which is actually cool. I do not want to leave because I'm writing right now. So you can also come over to this area to make more research, which is actually what it displays on that particular section. And when you come to your optimized area, it's going to display to you and show you how optimized your video are. And if you want to improve the optimization of your video, you have to click on that particular video and you'll be able to edit it. You can notice on this top area, that is actually the score, and you can scroll down to see the score of my video. And you can always make sure you add a lot of tags to your video to make it look good. But guys, I'm I'm not going through that. I'm going to explain all of this on my next video for you. So this is actually my best application to use whenever you want to actually come over to your channel and make a lot of good things out of your channel, which is probably doing interesting thing on your channel and getting your channel to give you a lot of views, get a lot of views, get a lot of subscribers, and you grow your channel with these 3 tools that I've mentioned. The best one is vidIQ, followed by TubeBuddy, and then YT tools. And also the same thing you can do on your TubeBuddy. You can do the same thing right here. You can notice this is actually my recent achievement, which is 175,000 views on that particular channel. I can always click on share and I can share it on my social media, or I can just save it on my device, which is actually left to me to do whichever way I want. So guys, this is all I want to show you on today's video. I'm going to be showing you guys even more on individual video on this particular application, and this is all about YouTube. So we are looking forward to growing our YouTube channel with all of these tips, and I hope this is going to help you guys to also grow. And if you guys like this kind of video, please let me know on the comment section, and I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Please stay safe and peace.